Hey guys, if you're trying to connect a USB device to your computer but you keep getting the message USB device not recognized, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy troubleshooting steps you can take to fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and you need to search for control panel and then head over to this control panel tab. Inside of here, just make sure view by is set to large icons up here, and then we're going to come over to power options from the list, and whichever plan you have selected here. I have the high performance plan selected, but if you have the balance, that's absolutely fine. Just come into change plan settings for whatever one you're using, and then we need to come into change advanced power settings. Then inside of here, scroll down till you find this USB settings and expand this list, and expand this USB selective suspend setting, and we just want to make sure both of these options are disabled, so I'm going to change that here, and then we can press apply and OK to save these changes. Then once you've done that, we can head out of this window and we're going to come over to our start menu and search for device manager, and then tap on the device manager tab. Then inside of this list, we need to come down to universal serial bus controllers and expand this, and we're going to ensure that our USB drivers are fully up to date, and you can do this just by selecting on this USB root hub, right clicking and selecting update driver, and then we can press search automatically for drivers, and then we can close out of this window, and you just need to do the same for these ones down here. Now if that's not fixed the issue, another thing you can do here is right click on this and come into uninstall device, and then we just need to press uninstall to confirm, and you'll also need to do the same for these two USB ones here, or whichever ones comes up for you. And then in order to reinstall these, you'll need to come over to action at the top here, and we can press scan for hardware changes, and that's going to reinstall the drivers to our device. Now if that doesn't work, the next thing we can do is close out of this window, and we need to come to our start menu and search for registry editor, and then just tap on this registry editor tab. Inside of here, we need to expand this H key local machine by pressing this drop down arrow, come inside of the system folder, inside of current control set, inside of services, and we need to come all the way down to a folder called USB, which will be right down at the bottom in the U section, and the actual folder name is this one here, which is USB STOR, all in capitals. And once you're in this folder, we need to double click on this start file here and just make sure the value data is set to 3. If it's set to another number other than 3, then just change that and press OK. And then we can close out of this window. Now if that's still not working for you, the very last thing we can do to fix this issue is we can head over to our file explorer, and inside of here we need to come inside of our C drive, scroll all the way down and come inside of the Windows folder, and then scroll down once more and you're looking for a folder called INF, and we need to come inside of here, and then we're going to come over to this search box in the top right hand side here, and you need to search for WP DMT, and it should give you a list of 4 files here. Now the one that we need to select is this wpdmtp.inf file, and you simply just need to right click on this and select install, and you'll get a confirmation message pop up which you can just press yes to, and then you should get this message just saying the operation completed successfully, and we can hit OK, and then you'll need to restart your computer in order for these changes to take effect, and then that should have fixed the not recognized USB device error message. Now if you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.